Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so it's lunchtime, time for some sensational savoury yogurt bowls. This is my favourite lunch at the moment. So you want some yogurt, Greek yogurt. I've got my homemade yogurt. You just want it to be not sweet. And I usually use about 2/3 of a cup. I find like a cup's too much, half a cup's not enough. But depending on how hungry you are, you might want to up it. So it's about 150 grams, which is 6 ounces, 5 ounces. Then you just want some veggies, some chopped up veggies. So today I've got a cucumber, that's I've just chopped up. But you can use any raw or cooked veg in there. And then we want some protein. So I've got some leftover meatballs with onions. So I'm going to just pop them on top. But often I have boiled eggs or cooked like canned tuna or sardines, or like any cooked protein is good. Chickpeas, beans, lentils, whatever takes your fancy. Then I like to put some sauerkraut, usually about 2 tablespoons on the side, and that just adds some crunch and some fermented veg. But you could always, if you don't have any kraut, just something that's going to add some color. And then we finish it with a handful of, I'm using parsley because that's what always grows well in my garden. And then the magic ingredient, some smoky, this is my smoky ducker, so I'll link to the recipe for this if you want to try it. It's so good. It's like spices and nuts ground up. It's just adds amazing crunch and texture. But if you didn't have that, just some roast pine nuts or any roast nuts will be delicious. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.